Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Champagne. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. I truly appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Please consider hitting that subscribe button and let me know this is your first video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate you, and I love all the comments and the support that you guys give me. I cannot begin to tell you how much it means to me. So today I'm going to be doing my debt-free Friday, and so I'm just going to show you what debt I've paid off and what money I've put towards my goals for my emergency fund, my 3 to 6 month, and my investing. So we're going to start off with my Navy Federal loan. The week we started off at $8,514 and 43 cents. On the 17th, I made my monthly payment of $300. This is the amount that I've chose to pay. My payment is less than this, but I wanted to pay more than the payment. And then we put $18, I'm sorry, on the 18th, we put $50 from the savings challenge towards it for a total of $350. Of that $350, $334.42 went to the principal and $15.58 went to interest. I try and pay money towards the towards it every week because I feel like more goes towards the principal than the interest in the long run, so it helps me pay it off faster. So our balance now is $8,180.05. So yeah, so that's where we're at with this is the debt that I'm focused on right now, and I plan on paying this off before the year is over. Next, we're going to move into my 3 to 6 month emergency fund. I am saving up for month 2 of my cell phone bill. I have $140 to go until that is 2 months ahead. And then once this is completed, I will then work on my first month of my rent. I have been holding back on doing the rent only because it's just ridiculous out here. But I want to get at least 1 month rent saved up this year. But all my other bills, I'm 2 months ahead. So we put $27 towards this, giving us $113 to go until we've completed the second month of my cell phone bill. Next is my 1,000 emergency fund. At the end of 2022, I wanted to pay off a bunch of debt going into the new year, so I did empty out my emergency fund to help with that. So I am building this back up again this year. And so we put $54 towards that, giving us $946 to go. And then we also did some investing in Robinhood. I put $20. I want to invest at least $10 a week, no less than that. And so we invested $20 into realty income, giving me a total of 4.149214 shares. My goal is to get at least, I don't know, maybe 10 shares to start off. But I will continue to, decide weekly what I'm going to put the investment towards. But right now I am focused on realty. It does give me a dividend every single month. I believe last month I got 95 cents, which I'm totally fine with getting free money. So yeah, so these are my money moves this week. This is the debt that I've paid off. I hope you enjoyed. Please continue to join me on my journey as I, work towards being completely debt-free with my emergency funds in place and building some stocks for my future. Thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciate you. I hope you have an amazing weekend, and I will see you next time. Bye.